Matthew and Jessica recently decided to use the WeConcile app to help them solve their relationship problems. And you can see Matthew on the right and Jessica's on the left. And they are going to start by taking the quiz. They take the quiz and they learn that they didn't do very well in handling conflict. They scored low, but they're going to continue. And Jessica, do I feel emotionally safe in my relationship? Neutral. Sometimes she does and sometimes she doesn't. And my partner can soothe me emotionally. Disagree. He's not usually able to do that. And my partner understands my deep feelings and needs. Disagree. He doesn't usually know how to do that. And so we get the next quick little snapshot. This goes through a number of different things. They decide after they take the quiz that they would like to work on their emotional safety and soothing. And they're going to go to explore, and they're going to get started, and they're going to relationship basics, and they're going to look at emotional safety as our foundation. So when they don't have time, they just read a couple nuggets. And they read a few of these, and then Jessica decides she'd like to read a story connected to this topic. And she reads about a sense of value, and then she decides she'd like to read a lesson. And she's going to read Learning About We first. And this talks about the word we and what happens between being a we and an I and survival responses. And she decides that this is worth talking about with Matthew. So she hits the discuss button and she says, let's discuss this. And she hits save and post. And this shows up in Matthew's notifications, and he can go right there and read it, and they can set up a time to discuss. And that will help them a lot, just getting started with learning about what's happening. Now, they also, Jessica decides, let's do an exercise. And she continues on and finishes this exercise. And when she's done, she decides also, let's discuss this exercise. And that's how they start using the WeConcile app. And there's other features, but that'll get you started.